Need website screenshots without managing headless browsers, proxies, or automation? Open the Geekflare API playground and select Screenshot API. Your API key is already added, so you can start testing immediately. Let's use a real website. I will enter this link into the URL field. Now customize the screenshot exactly how you want. Choose desktop or mobile, capture the full page or just the viewport. Select PNG, JPEG or WebP. Adjust viewport size, image quality, delay, and scale factor. You can also block ads, hide cookie banners, skip CAPTCHAs, disable animations, highlight links, or even capture a specific CSS selector. Click Send Request. In just a few seconds, Geekflare renders the page and returns a high-quality screenshot along with a shareable image URL. Switch to the Code Snippets tab to generate production-ready code in Python, Node.js, Go, PHP, Java, Ruby, and curl. Copy the snippet and integrate it directly into your application. Geekflare also integrates with Zapier and Make. Developers can also use the official Python SDKs, Node.js SDKs, and REST API to build custom integrations. If you're building AI agents, Geekflare also provides an MCP server. Simply connect Claude, Cursor, ChatGPT, or any MCP compatible client, and your AI can capture website screenshots, scrape web pages, search the web, run DNS checks, perform lighthouse audits, access 13 web tools through a single MCP endpoint. It works with your existing Geekflare API credits, so there is nothing extra to manage. Ready to try it yourself? Head over to the Geekflare API playground and generate your API key. Start capturing website screenshots in seconds.